Alright, so we're in Dublin right now, and that's Owen in front of me. I'm gonna head to the statue for the dude from Thin Lizzy. Do a shot there, and then I'm gonna do a shot of Owen in front of the Guinness factory doorway, which is this big black cool gate. And this is Dublin in the morning. Look at this guy's mustache. Look at this guy. Try a little harder, buddy. Well, I definitely would have never found this on my own, unless I just stumbled upon it, or it was a major priority. Pro tip, when you go to a town, always best if you have a local showing you around. Oh, there it is, and of course there's a van. Of course there's a white van in front of it, eh? Ah, this fucking guy. Look at that hair. Okay, so this is the Guinness factory. Huge area. That's one of the gates. All right, let's go. Okay, so we're in County Wicklow, just outside of Dublin, and riding these beautiful country roads. Some sheep. Oh, there's sheep on the side of the road. I was trying to turn the camera on a little earlier, but there was too many switchbacks, and Owen and Fiona, who are ahead of me, didn't see me flashing my lights to stop, so I had to wait, and probably missed the best. Oh, look at the baby sheeps. Guess you wouldn't be Ireland if you didn't see a bunch of sheep in the middle of the road. Scared the sheep out of those guys. Absolutely beautiful day to be riding. This is my first official day to ride on this trip. And Tim Burke's friends, Owen and his girlfriend Fiona, were kind enough to take me out today, show me around County Wicklow. It's just stunning. Super green earlier today. Shocks on the bike are a little too boingy. Have not really had time to adjust them properly after the installation. The rear shock is definitely a little too boingy. I think that's the technical term. And I'm trying to get used to riding on the other side of the road. Anytime I see a car driving, it looks like nobody's driving it. was having some crossed electrical problems on the bike as well. My heated seat was on, and it was just burning my bum. And the heated gloves, the heated grips were on high. I was able to turn those off, and I actually had to unplug the seat. I don't know what's going on. Maybe when they installed the carpe, they rewired something and messed it up. What's going on here? Boy, I'd hate to have to shovel this driveway. It's like a tree cemetery. These roads are super narrow, and it always feels a little sketchy passing cars. Look at this little cottage. A little gingerbread cottage. Beautiful purple. I mean, who lives here? What kind of people? Gonna head to a camping store right now and pick up some compressed fuel for the jet boil. And then I'm gonna head down to Cork. So that's it for now.